Welcome to our video on how to make the most of your part-time remote job. In this video, we'll provide you with tips and advice on how to succeed in this increasingly popular work arrangement. We'll cover the benefits and challenges of part-time remote work, and we'll provide specific strategies for staying organized, setting boundaries, and communicating effectively. Whether you're new to part-time remote work or you're looking to improve your current experience, this video has something for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. There are many benefits to working a part-time remote job. One of the biggest benefits is the flexibility it offers. You can set your own hours and work from anywhere you have an internet connection. This can be a huge advantage for people who have other commitments, such as family or school. Another benefit of working remotely is the ability to work from anywhere in the world. This can be a great option for people who want to travel or who live in areas with limited job opportunities. Finally, working remotely can also lead to a better work-life balance. When you work from home, you can set your own schedule and take breaks as needed. This can help you to avoid burnout and to spend more time with your family and friends. While there are many benefits to working a part-time remote job, there are also some challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the potential for isolation. When you work remotely, you may not have the same level of social interaction with your colleagues as you would in a traditional office setting. This can lead to feelings of loneliness and isolation. Another challenge of working remotely is the need for self-motivation. When you work from home, it can be difficult to stay motivated and on task. It is important to have a strong sense of self-discipline and to be able to set your own schedule and stick to it. Finally, working remotely can also make it difficult to separate work from personal life. When you work from home, it can be easy to let work creep into your personal time. It is important to set boundaries and to make sure that you take breaks throughout the day. Here are a few tips for succeeding in a part-time remote job. Set boundaries. It is important to set boundaries between your work life and your personal life. This means setting specific work hours and sticking to them. It also means creating a dedicated workspace where you can focus on your work. Stay organized. When you work remotely, it is important to stay organized. This means keeping track of your tasks, deadlines, and appointments. It also means having a system for storing and retrieving your files. Communicate effectively. Communication is key when you work remotely. Make sure to communicate regularly with your colleagues and your manager. This will help to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that projects are completed on time. In this video, we've discussed the benefits and challenges of working a part-time remote job. We've also provided some tips for succeeding in this type of work arrangement. If you're considering working a part-time remote job, I encourage you to do your research and to make sure that it's the right fit for you. It's important to be aware of the challenges that you may face, but it's also important to remember the many benefits that this type of work arrangement can offer. With the right preparation and the right mindset, you can succeed in a part-time remote job and enjoy all the benefits that it has to offer.